Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we'll be making tomato paste at the comfort of our home. So let's get started. The first ingredient is definitely having lots and lots and lots of tomatoes. That is the main ingredient. So as you can see, what we are doing here, we are trying to remove the seeds and also the stem. Okay, so we are going to be left with that part of the tomato, and then we are going to take beetroot. And the importance of beetroot is that it's going to give us, the color, because as we all know, beetroot is very very rich in color, and it also has some other advantages because it is very very nutritious. So ensure that you slice up your ingredients so that they can be able to boil easily. And then we also have some garlic over there and also some carrots. So after that, we're going to add in bay leaf. Okay, and it's leaf, not leaves. You're just going to add one bay leaf and place that mixture on low heat, medium to low heat, and don't add water. Emphasis on don't add water. Guys, imagine I never added water. As you know, tomatoes are usually very very watery. So after they've cooked for 15 minutes on low heat, blend them. Okay, you blend them, and then you take a sieve and you sieve. And guys, it is recommended for you to use a metallic sieve, but if you don't have a metallic sieve like me, just use a plastic sieve. It will just work the same. Actually, it won't even stain your sieve. After that, you return it to your source of heat and cook it for 10 minutes on low heat. Okay, emphasis on the low heat, guys. And the emphasis, the reason as we are putting it back to the source of it is that we want the water to evaporate. And as you can see, our tomato paste is very very thick, guys. This is the best tomato paste I have